Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see.
Hello everybody and welcome to this video. Today we are decorating the tree. I have decorated the room, which I will put in a clip here of what is decorated and how it's decorated. But we've got the tree. It's a big boy this year. We always go for a real tree in the Parmiter household. So we're gonna get decorating, and I thought you guys would want to see how I decorate my tree. So get your comfies on, get your cozies, grab your cups of tea, guys. I've got my Olaf with me because cheers, we all love a cup of tea. Get your hot chocolates, even get your Christmas alcoholic beverages in while you're watching this video. So let's get into decorating the tree. So this is the bad boy of a tree. It's a 6-foot tree and we always get it from our local garden centre, which is called Adrian Hall. And I absolutely love this tree this year. It's really bushy. And if you were here, it smells absolutely incredible. We always put some Christmas songs on while we decorate the tree. So I'm going to decorate the tree. Charlie never gets involved in decorating the tree. It's just a thing. A man don't get involved for some reason. But I'll give you a little trip around my front room to show you what its current state is. This is the room's current state. On the door, we've got advent calendar. We have these garland things going around. I don't know what they're called, but paper chain things. We have these every year. These go round the top of the living room. Then we have two different stars and a tree. Then we have all my ornaments. So these gins are from M&S and they light up. Have a few party poppers. Nightmare Before Christmas. Believe in the Magic of Christmas. A nutcracker, another gin, and one of my favourite ornaments, which is the Mickey and Minnie and the tree lights up on the windowsill. And then coming round, we also have more decks and Santa on there. And I've just put a tinsel on the radiator. Excuse the towel. Best candle of the year is the Festive Spice at Christmas. And then around my TV, we've got the advent calendars. I'm going to move this Grinch. He was on the windowsill, but where we put the tree, you can't see him. So I'm going to find a home for him. And then this is how it's looking. I'll give you a bit of a rundown once it's all done. And then, yeah, we're going to put the tunes on and decorate the tree. So let me just put the lights on this bad boy. I feel like this is the worst part of doing a tree, is putting the lights on. Who's with me? Pencil time. put the fairy on top of the tree. It's time to put the baubles on the tree. These are, look at Luce, he's so cute. These are all my baubles, so I'm just going to get them out and put them on the tree. But I'm pretty sure it's looking immense, and it looks so cool. Okay, so I finally finished doing the tree, and I just thought I'd show you my decorations all the way around as well as the tree. I'm going to put my candles on and show you what my room looks like, and it looks so festive. I'm so happy with it, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and hit the bell for all spontaneous content. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.